Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create kit subscriber on Jotform submission. So I am running a content marketing business, and for my business I have created a sign up form that I have added on my website. Now through this form I'm going to get all the detail of my clients who are interested in my daily newsletters or marketing emails. Now what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new sign up or a new form submission through Jotform, then automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, I want to create a new subscriber in my Kit account. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Jotform and Kit. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Jotform, then automatically I will add a new subscriber in my Kit account. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Kit subscriber on Jotform submission. So I'm a owner of a content marketing business, and I use Jotform to capture signups for my email newsletters and special offers. So by integrating Jotform with Kit, I can automatically create a new subscriber in my Kit account whenever someone submits the form. So this integration will help me to streamline my subscriber management process, and it will be ensuring that new contacts are added in my email list instantly. So with this, I can keep them engaged with personalized campaigns and updates without any manual effort. So here what I want to do is I want to connect Jotform with Kit, and I want to do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this automation and this connection between Jotform and Kit without any coding and programming skills. And here with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission or a new sign up from Jotform, then automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, I will create a new subscriber or I will add a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Kit subscriber on Jotform submission. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'll find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I have this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow, and here in this window we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Jotform. So I'm going to search for that. And I need to select Jotform here. Now I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new response is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. So now with this webhook URL, whenever I'm going to receive a new Jotform submission, then automatically that response of that form submission will be sent here in Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to take you to my Jotform account. And here in Jotform, I have this particular sign up form. So I'm going to click on this edit form button here. And now I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect so that I can get all the detail of my form submission in Pabbly Connect. So for this, I need to click on settings. And here in settings, I need to go to integrations. And here in integrations, I need to search for webhook. So I'm going to search for that. And here I need to select webhooks. And now in webhooks, I need to add my webhook URL so that I can add my webhook in Jotform and I can connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So here first I'm going to clear this. And in this tab of webhook, I'm going to add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have added my webhook. So I'm going to click on this complete integration button. And here my integration is ready. So I have successfully added my webhook in Jotform and I have connected Jotform with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on finish and I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. And for getting this webhook response, I need to create a new form submission in Jotform. So as I will create a new sign up or a new form submission in Jotform, then automatically the response of that form submission will be sent here in Pabbly Connect and I'm going to get that response here. Now for creating this new form submission, I'm going to take you to Jotform and now I'm going to click on publish. And first I need to open my form and I need to create a new form submission. So this is my form link. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. And here this is my sign up form. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new form submission and I'm going to add dummy details in this form submission. So here my first name is going to be Michael. Last name is going to be Karas. Email will be michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And now I'm going to give the city, that is going to be Bhopal. Now that I have added all the required details and I have filled all my dummy details here. So I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully created this new form submission. Now that as I have submitted my form in Jotform, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my form submission that I've just created in Jotform. And in this response, we can see I have received all the detail of my form submission. So here I have the first name of my user, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karas. I have the email, that is michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number of my user. Also, I have the city, that is Bhopal. Now that we can see I have received all these details of my form submission from Jotform. And now that as I have received all these details, what I want to do is I want to use all these details. And automatically by using all these details, I want to add a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So here I want to do this automatically and I want to create a new subscriber in Kit with all these Jotform submission detail. So for that, I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Kit. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Kit here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And add subscriber to a sequence is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Kit with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. Now I'm going to click on add new connection. And for connecting Kit with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key and the API secret. So for getting all these details, I need to first log into my Kit account. And after login, I need to go to account setting where I'm going to find the API key and the API secret. So for this, let me take you to my Kit account. And here I have already logged into my Kit account. So this is my Kit dashboard. Now I'm going to click on this profile icon button. And now I'm going to go to settings. Now here in settings, I need to scroll down and I have this option of developer. So I'm going to open this developer settings. And here in developer settings, we can see I have my API key and the API secret. So these are the required details that I need for connecting Kit with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy all these details and I'm going to add that in Pabbly Connect so that I can connect Kit with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy these details from here. I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that detail here in these tab. Also, I need the API secret. So I'm going to do the same. I will go back to Kit. This is my API secret. So I'm going to first click on this show button. So this is my API secret. I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab. Now that I have added all my required details, I'm going to click on save. And I have connected Kit with Pabbly Connect. Now first I need a sequence ID. So here for adding a new subscriber in a sequence, I need to first create a new sequence in my Kit account, and I need to select that sequence here in this tab. So for this, let me take you to Kit. I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and here for the sequence, I need to go to Send and I need to go to Sequences. So I'm going to open that. Now here in Sequences, you can add new sequence and you can use any sequence where you want to add your subscriber. Right now, I'm not using any premium plans, so that's why I can't create new sequence. But if you have a premium plan, then you can create new sequences and you can add your subscriber in those sequences. I'm only going to use one sequence that I have in my Kit account. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Sequence ID, I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the sequences that you will have in your Kit account. I only have one sequence that is of webinar resistance, so that is already selected. So this is my test sequence that I'm going to use just to show you how you can set up this automation between Jotform and Kit. Now that I've added my sequence ID, I need to fill all these details to create a new subscriber in my sequence. And for that, I'm going to use my response of Jotform submission. So simply by using all the details from my previous tab, I'm going to map those details here in these tabs, and I'm going to retrieve those details from my previous tab. So for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open the response of Jotform, and here this is the email address of my user. So I'm going to map this, and here I have mapped my email address. Now I'm going to map the first name. So I'm going to click here. Again, I'm going to open this response of Jotform. And here this is the first name, so I'm going to map this. Now I have this tab of tags, and if you want to give tags to your subscriber, then you can give that too. I don't want to give any tags, so I'm going to leave this tab blank. I'm just going to add the last name. So I'm going to map that, and also I'm going to map the mobile number. Now here I have added all the required details, and I have filled all the required details or the details that I have received from my Jotform submission. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new Jotform submission, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new form submission detail in the real time. And with every new form submission that I'm going to receive through Jotform, I will create a new subscriber, or I will add a new subscriber in a sequence in Kit. Now that I have added all the required details and I have mapped these details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Quiz button. So I'm going to click here. Now here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new subscriber in my Kit account by using all the detail of my form submission that I have received through Jotform. So to check whether I have added a new subscriber or not, let me take you to Kit, and here I will go to Grow, and in this I'm going to open Subscribers. Now in Subscribers, I'm going to scroll down, and in this we can see I have just created this new subscriber that is named as Michael. And I have the email address of michaelkarras@pabblytunes.com. Now I'm going to open this, and here this is my subscriber, and in this we can see I have all these details, like I have the first name that is Michael, I have the last name that is Karras, I have the email that is michaelkarras@pabblytunes.com, and I have the random phone number of my subscriber. So here we can see that these were all the details that I've filled in my Jotform, and as I've created that form submission, then automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, I have added a new subscriber in my Kit account. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Jotform and Kit, and now I can automatically manage my email list, and I can add new subscribers in my Kit account by using all the detail of my signups that I'm going to receive through Jotform. And now with every new form submission that I'm going to receive through Jotform, then automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, I will add a new subscriber in my Kit sequence. So here I have successfully added this new subscriber in my Kit account, and I have done this by setting up this automation and this connection between Jotform and Kit. So here I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Jotform with Kit to automatically create Kit subscriber on Jotform submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Jotform, and my trigger event was new response. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Kit, and my action event was add subscriber to a sequence. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to add the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.